How's it going, guys? Got a quick fix, or a little bit of a rig for the STA2380 and the STA2700. Pretty much these machines have a problem where they shut down, go into protection prematurely. You get about halfway volume, and they shut down. And I've kind of came to the conclusion that I think they was not set up properly from the factory, brand new, and I think it's plagued every single one of them, because I've had 3 2380s and 2 of the 2700s. Basically, these are the same machine. It's just the 2700 had a remote, and one circuit board pretty much in there is different. A little bit of the power supply stuff's a little different because it was a standby circuit, but pretty much the same machines. The amplifier is identical. So I got a little quick fix, but the thing about it is it's going to be disabling completely all of the protection. So if the machine fails, it's not going to protect your speakers. In the event that there is an overload, say like a short circuit on your speaker, it's not going to shut it off either. But most of the time, things blow up, you're going to turn it off probably before anything happened to your speaker anyways. At least in my experience, if you blow something up, I don't think I've ever damaged a speaker, and blow the outputs out. Anyway, we'll go over to the bench and I'll show you what I got. Here's the amplifier board. It's been stripped down somewhat out of either one of those machines. And there's an IC right here. IC right here. Get you a model number of it. STA2380. Anyways, I got a block diagram of it, and you can see here pin 1 and 2 is offset detector, and we got overload detector on pin 1. Pretty much, you probably could fix these machines so that they didn't kick off so quickly by changing probably like these Zeners over here, but it would be trial and error. I mean, you probably just have to keep changing them out and keep testing it and seeing if it kicks off still. But I don't think there's anything wrong with the IC itself. I don't think there's anything wrong with any of the components on here. It's just the fact that I think some of the preset values, from the factory just wasn't right. It was too sensitive. Anyways, you pull this IC out, and you see right here we got pin 1 and then pin 8. I broke off pins 1 and 2, put it back in, and there is no shutting down now. And then you also still have the time delay. The time delay is still going to work when you turn on the receiver. There's a time delay, and then it activates the speaker relay, which is normally right here. So it works the same. You don't have you're not bypassing this relay or anything like that. You still got the time delay for it. It still works as it should. There is just no shutdown anymore. So I'll give you a little bit of a demonstration. Alright, we're going to power this up and maybe we can hear the relay click. The relay clicked. And turn on the speakers. Now I do have this hooked up to a set of Mach 1s, so I can pretty much take this clear up to where it would normally shut off. Alright, it's not playing music. Alright, here's some music. Let's see if I can turn it up long enough to not get copyright problems, but at the same time, of course, it's going to saturate this camera. The sound that you're going to hear is going to be completely distorted, so it probably won't get copyright problems anyways. I'll try to take it, up here, max the meters out. This machine would have shut off, hands down. So there it is. Take it as you will. If you're fed up with your machine shutting off all the time, that's an easy fix to get rid of it. You just need you need some way to desolder that chip without damaging the board. And like I said, just remove pins 1 and 2. No more shutting down.